Hey everybody, Happy New Year. Welcome to 2023. Brad Evans and Brian Dery here with the Florida Trail Stompers, and we're back in the garage today talking about a four-door Jeep cover from Suparee.com. Brad, there's a lot of features here. I'm really impressed. I can't wait till I clean the Jeep and get this on. Let's tell everybody about this cover.
Yeah, Brian, so Suparee makes awesome covers for your two-door, four-door JKs, JLUs, all that stuff. So they are a premium fitted 6-layer car cover, and they're made from a high-density 2T polyester, and this is really good material. It's going to be good for all weather purposes, sun, snow, rain,
and even foreign elements like bird droppings. We got a lot of that here in Florida. What's the worst thing to do? You clean your vehicle, next thing you know, birds are crapping on it. So
or just storing away your rig, like your Jeep here in the shop, you know?
Yeah, so it's got also a liner inside, the soft lint layer liner, so it protects against your paint and doesn't have any abrasive or any, it won't scratch it, as I was trying to say.
That's right, Brian. It also give you some straps so you can tie down around your wheels, keep the cover nice and tight.
Yeah, so Brad was saying earlier that it's fitted, so there's an elastic band all the way at the bottom. So once you get it on, you get it snug, you get it around the mirrors and everything, it's going to fit real nice and tight. And it's a very thick material, so when the heavy winds pick up here in Florida, it's not going to get ripped off or torn or everything, because this is pretty strong, and I just can't get over it. I love this camo pattern.
Yeah, Digi-Camo is pretty awesome. It also comes with a lock too, don't it, Brian?
Yeah, it comes with a lock, and it also comes with a storage bag. This is an upgraded version from their original cover that I've used before, and it came with a bag. If you tried folding it, kind of like one of those Coleman tents, you try to fold it, it never folds back correctly. First time I put it back in the bag, it just rips. So I'm really impressed with the high quality of the material, and that it comes with an extra bigger bag.
Sounds good. So why don't we go ahead and get the Vela Golf cleaned up, bring it back in the shop, and get this cover on there.
All right, let's do it. All right, everybody, we're out here, and I went ahead and opened it up so I know what direction to put this on. So remember, as I was saying earlier, that they have a nice fitted bottom, so it helps secure at the bottom of your rig. And it's gonna go around here. And I love these reflective strips. So in case you got somebody driving down the street or whatever, because your rig's gonna be camouflaged, they'll see the front, the back, and even the mirrors have them on there. It can also go around the tires. So you have pretty much complete coverage of everything. Now I didn't go around the spare tire in the back because I've got my my flagpole back there. But I really like this, and messing with this material and doing a lot of moving around, it's nice and durable. And it does have a very soft inner lining. Now I'm keeping it inside the tires because a lot of debris, dirt, mud on the tires. I don't want it to ruin that soft felt on inside. Now keep in mind, I've got, you know, aftermarket bumper with a winch, light bar up there, these 37-inch tires, a tire carrier in the back. So it's probably gonna fit differently on everyone's rig. So depending on what accessories you have. Now here's the one part I do like, where it's got a zipper. So you can get on there in case you need to get inside or whatever without taking everything off. And again, it's got these reflective strips. So if your vehicle's parked on the road, people will see it. And these zippers are very easy. Up and down, no problem at all. And then all I gotta do is tie these straps down and it's secured.
All right, so we got the Jeep pulled back in the shop. covered up. What'd you think about it, Brian?
Brad, it's a really great cover. It's going to suit all the Florida residents here very well who don't have interior protection, especially against those UV rays. So, folks, go to Suparee.com. You can buy the Jeep cover there and check out all the other products that Suparee offers for your rig.
Yeah, don't forget, if you like these product review videos that me and Brian do for you, make sure you visit our YouTube channel at Florida Trail Stompers, as well as FloridaTrailStompers.com, as well as our Facebook channel.
Not to mention, we're also on Instagram. But hey, when you go to YouTube, please hit that subscribe button and drop a like and a comment on the videos that you see.
Yeah, don't forget to ring that notification bell so you get alerts when we come out with new products.
All right, folks, until then, stomp on. See you on the trails.